Okay, today I'm going to be working on version 2 of the steering. So, version 1 with this uni joint straight up the shaft of the steering wheel. It's too heavy. So version 2, I'm going to use like 2 gears to get a gear reduction, and then make up some sort of assembly with the small gear on here across to the bigger gear here and straight down to that shaft. There's a proper option, I guess, is to cut all this shit out down here and make a rack and pinion setup, but I just really can't be fucked doing that. It's a lot of work. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to do it, but we'll try this first. Righto, my new toy for this week. Not this one, this is the old one. So for a while I've been persevering with this old piece of crap. Here's a SIG weld skill, which similar range to this, but as you can see, pretty small viewing area compared to this new Promax. You can see the tiny area and the huge screen. So obviously that's a massive improvement. And you can see on the inside there's just not many settings. There's either low or high sensitivity, or there's long or short delay time. So finally got the shits with that, not been able to see anything. My welding's still bad, but at least I might not have more of an excuse now. So I picked up been using it for a couple of days now. Picked up a new weld class Promax 500. It's not the highest in the range, it's probably, I don't know, mid-level, mid to high. Yeah, big screen, huge area inside there, you can see, and can't really see the settings in here, but there's a ton of switches up in here. So it also does grinding mode, welding mode, You can adjust sensitivity, you can adjust the amount of shade, the delay time. You can adjust your shade 9 to 13, so it also does, it's good for TIG welding as well. So I might probably buy a TIG welder in the next few months. But yeah, really nice helmet, I can actually see stuff. Also, even the picture you get, the colour in the picture is a lot more levels of colour, so you can see a lot better. Right, I'll see if I can get a picture of a weld through each one on camera so you can see the difference. Even just doing that then, looking at the display on the GoPro while I was doing that, pretty sure you could see a huge difference in the visibility and then the picture and the quality when it's arcing. So yeah, good bit of gear. I think I paid something like less than $300. I'll throw some links down in the description, different places you can get it if you can. If you get it on sale, it's a fair bit cheaper. I got mine at a pretty decent discount, so keep an eye out. Toys to come. So I bought a Ryobi battery grinder. Might do a video on that. And I picked up a this thing, other toy, a Milwaukee 18-volt porta band. So with that one, I want to set it up as a desktop bandsaw. So there's an attachment you can get to run it as a desktop version and still use it as a portable version. So yeah, I'll use that. Not sure for which bit of the build, but some bit. Don't know, but it's necessary, so I bought one. So yeah, stick around for that, and I'll cover that in another video. that's it for another video, guys. Version 2 of the steering seems to feel okay with the full weight of the quad on the ground, so hopefully it works. If you haven't hit subscribe, do that, it'd be appreciated. Next episode we will probably start looking at front drive shaft and maybe starting to piece the footwell together to start looking at an accelerator and brake pedal. So yeah, see you then.